This is good. Ito ay pang washing machine, pero sinubukan ko siya sa hand wash. Ayan. Ayan. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alpha and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a basic recipe for homemade laundry detergent. Kailangan natin ng baking soda and we need some bar soap or castile soap or like this one, Phil's naphtha. And then we need washing soda, Arm and Hammer washing soda. We need borax, and we need cheese grater, and we need an empty bottle to store our laundry detergent soap. Okay, so this simple, easy laundry detergent will only take a few minutes, guys, to prepare. And if you make your own laundry detergent, you can save a lot of money. First step, ang ating bar soap ay ating i-grate. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng any bar soap like Ivory, natural soap, so after natin mag-grate, i-grind natin siya sa blender or kung mayroon kayong food processor, so you can use food processor. So let's start to grind this. I-grind natin siya hanggang maging pinong-pino. So this is better pag food processor yung iyong ginamit. But I don't have a food processor. Gamitin ko ang aking Ninja blender. Gagrind pa natin siya hanggang maging very fine. So, ayan na siya. Pinong-pino na. Lalagay natin siya sa isang bowl. One cup of washing soda. So, imimix natin siya. 1 cup of washing soda. And then we need 1 cup of borax. Half cup. And then 1 more half cup to make it 1 cup. Okay. 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking soda. So 1 teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And lastly, haluin natin siya. So you can buy white castile soap instead of yellow. And this time, matapos natin siyang i-mix lahat, then pwede natin siyang ilagay sa ating container. So, isang malinis na jar to keep your laundry detergent. So, any jar or container na pwede ninyong ilagay ang inyong sabon. Okay, let's put it here. Ayan. So, makakatipid kayo ng husto kapag kayo na ang gumawa ng inyong laundry detergent powder. So, you can double this recipe. So, ilalagay ko yung recipe sa description and you can make more with this recipe. So, now you have a detergent. So, now we will test ang ating sabon. Okay, maglagay tayo ng tubig. Mabula. So, mag-hand wash ako ngayon. Hindi ako gagamit ng washing machine. Ayan, lagay natin ang damit. Kung mabula. Mabango. Yeah. This is good. Ayan, guys. So, ito ay pang washing machine, pero sinubukan ko siya sa hand wash. Ayan. Ayan po. So, yellow yung nabili kong bar soap, so you can buy white. So, nasa preference nyo yun. Wow! Ang sarap maglaba. Mabango. So, dagdagan pa natin isa pa. It's better if you use white bar. Kung mayroon kayong food processor, use food processor para maging powder ang bar soap. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Wow. So, you can add more soap para mas lalong mabula. So, I use only a little for testing. Super good.